Hello friends, now we will discuss questions related to polynomial. In last class we have studied about polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in powers of a variable, and the highest power of variable is known as its degree. Here this is a monomial and its degree is 3. Any polynomial that contains one term is called monomial, and any polynomial that contains two terms is called binomial. Its degree is 3, and this polynomial have degree 2. Now we will discuss some questions related to polynomial. Our first question: write degree of polynomials. Our polynomial is 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This is a polynomial having degree 2 because their highest positive power is 2 of variable, that is positive integer 2 is degree of polynomial. And this is not polynomial because the power of t, the degree of t is not defined here, because this is a negative integer and degree is always positive integer. This is monomial, and here degree of this monomial is 0 because x raised to the power 0 can be written here. Any variable or constant term having power 0 is equal to 1, that is x raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So in this polynomial, degree of polynomial is 0. Now we will discuss question related to find zeros of a polynomial. Let our question is find zeros and roots of polynomial minus 1 equal to, this is our given polynomial. We have to find its zeros. So first of all we will put this polynomial equal to 0. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will split this 2x in factors, and factors are of type alpha beta. Let its zeros, then sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros should be equal to alpha plus beta. If zeros are alpha plus beta, alpha and beta, then this is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Here our coefficient of x is 2, तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा का सम क्या आना चाहिए, -2/3, एंड अल्फा बीटा की प्रोडक्ट किसकी इक्वल आनी चाहिए, दिस इज c/a, दैट इज कांस्टेंट टर्म -1/3. That is we have to find zeros which have sum -2/3 and product -1/3. Now we will split it such that sum should be equal to -2/3 and product 1/3. So this is -1/3. So 3x square minus plus 3x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x can be break down 3x minus x. Here from these two 3x get common and we get here x plus 1. From these two -1 can get common and we get x plus 1 equal to 0. This bracket x plus 1 is common in both. So x plus 1 get common from here and here 3x minus 1 equal to 0. यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स की प्रोडक्ट क्या है, 0 के इक्वल है, तो उनमें से कम एक क्या होगी, 0. लेट x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो x की वैल्यू आएगी -1 एंड इफ़ वी टेक 3x प्लस -1 इक्वल टू 0 देन 3x इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड x इज इक्वल टू 1/3. सो हमारी दो रूट्स क्या क्या हैं. पहला रूट हमारा है -1 और बीटा हमारा है 1/3. जब हम अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा का सम करके देखेंगे तो हमें -2/3 मिलेगा और प्रोडक्ट करके देखेंगे तो -1/3 मिलेगा. अल्फ़ा और बीटा की प्रोडक्ट -1 × 1/3 -1/3 और इनका सम करके देखेंगे तो -1 + 1/3. एलसीएम लेंगे यहाँ से तो एलसीएम 3 आएगा. -3 + 1 दैट इज़ -2/3. तो हमें यहाँ से एक रिलेशन मिलता है कि जो सम है वो आएगा माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x/x² एंड प्रोडक्ट इज कांस्टेंट टर्म बाई कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x².